Hello everybody. We have an X-Block Elite V2. Let's unbox it. This is the device and this is the parts. So first, let's unbox this. Inside the box, this is the device. A colored powder pink with a 500 milliamperes display with power and liquid. This is battery indicator, rechargeable Type-C. And second, this is the device. Let's remove the seal, and I choose color black wave with a black currant menthol flavor with a 12,000 pops. This is 30 milligram ml pre-base nicotine, capacity 10 ml. Pre-base nicotine flavoring. So that's this device, and let's put it together. This is the battery. So let's take a check. So this is now. So let's taste the flavor. So as well, the flavor is black currant. It's like I think a grapes or strawberry. So it's very cool here. If you smoke like this, it's very cloudy and very cold here. So I suggest this, 100% guaranteed. So this is X-Block Elite device V2, means version 2. So that's all, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.